The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. You don't have to be rich to start, but you have to start to be rich. If you're serious about getting rich, then you need to understand one crucial thing. It's not just about how much you earn, it's about using a proven formula for wealth. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes, but a time-tested approach that can help you grow your wealth sustainably. The wealthy know these secrets and have been using them for years. If you watch until the end, you'll have a clear plan for taking your finances to the next level and be ready for the future like never before. In this video, we'll break down a powerful money formula that could set you on the path to wealth. From shifting your mindset to building a solid financial foundation, we'll cover the exact steps you need to take. These aren't just tips, they're actionable strategies to help you unlock financial success. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to advanced techniques that the wealthy use to multiply their wealth. This isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving in a world of ever-changing economic conditions. 1. The growth mindset. Think differently. Wealth begins in the mind. The first step to getting rich is adopting a growth mindset, believing that you can improve your financial situation and learning continuously to achieve it. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that they're stuck with their current financial circumstances. But with the right mindset, you can change the way you perceive money and wealth. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities and understanding that setbacks are a part of the learning process. A growth mindset also means being willing to take calculated risks. While some people avoid risks altogether, the wealthy know that calculated risks can lead to substantial rewards. For example, instead of avoiding investments because they seem risky, learn about different asset classes and start small. The goal is to think like an investor, not just a consumer. Remember, it's not just about hard work, it's about smart work. Learn to leverage knowledge, networks, and new opportunities to create financial growth. Always ask, how can I improve? And what can I do differently? These questions are the foundation for a wealth-building mindset. 2. Financial base. Building a financial base is like laying the foundation of a house. Without a solid foundation, everything else can crumble. Start by creating an emergency fund that covers at least 6 months of living expenses. This fund will protect you during unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or economic downturns. It gives you the security to take on investment opportunities without worrying about financial setbacks. In addition to savings, get important insurance policies such as health, life, and disability insurance. These protect you and your family in the event of unforeseen circumstances, preventing a financial crisis from wiping out your wealth. Many people overlook insurance, seeing it as an expense rather than an investment in security. But the right policies can save you thousands down the line. Think of your financial base as your safety net. It allows you to pursue wealth-building strategies without the fear of being one paycheck away from disaster. Once your base is set, you can focus on growing your wealth rather than constantly reacting to financial emergencies. 3. Pay off debts. Debt can be one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly spiral out of control and drain your finances. Your first step should be to prioritize paying off these debts. Use methods like the debt avalanche, paying off the highest interest debt first, or the debt snowball, paying off the smallest balances first, to eliminate your debts systematically. However, not all debt is bad. There's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage or student loans, can help you acquire appreciating assets or improve your earning potential. The key is to manage it wisely. Always aim to pay off high-interest debt first, while making smart use of low-interest debt to build your financial portfolio. Remember, the goal is not just to get out of debt, but to stay out of it. Once you've paid off your debts, avoid taking on new high-interest debts, and focus on using your money to generate income and build assets instead. If you're finding these strategies helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more wealth-building content. And don't miss our video, Money Magic, Discover the Hidden Powers of Wealth. Find the link in the description. It's packed with additional insights you won't want to miss. 4. Create a financial system. Creating a financial system is essential for protecting your wealth and growing it over time. Start by investing in assets that can hedge against inflation, such as real estate, commodities, or inflation-linked bonds. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money. So having investments that grow in value over time is key to maintaining your wealth. Incorporate dollar-cost averaging into your strategy. This means investing a fixed amount of money regularly, regardless of market conditions. It minimizes the risk of investing a large sum at the wrong time and takes advantage of market fluctuations to lower the average cost of your investments over time. This approach is especially effective in volatile markets where predicting the best entry point can be challenging. Set up automatic transfers into your investments and savings accounts to build a consistent financial system. This way, you're not relying on willpower alone to grow your wealth. Automation ensures you're continuously working towards your financial goals without having to think about it. 5. Earn more money. You can't save your way to wealth. You also need to earn more. Start by leveraging your time effectively. Find ways to increase your income by acquiring high-income skills, freelancing, or starting a side hustle. Focus on activities that provide the highest return on your time, and look for ways to scale those activities. For instance, transitioning from hourly work to project-based work can help you earn more for the same amount of time invested. Another approach is to invest in passive income streams, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or creating a digital product that can generate sales while you sleep. The idea is to create income sources that don't require you to be actively involved at all times. Over time, these passive income streams can grow to become your primary sources of income. The wealthiest people understand the value of time and leverage it to create more wealth. Don't trade your hours for dollars. Work on building systems and streams of income that continue to pay even when you're not actively working. 6. Protect yourself legally. Wealth without protection is like building a house of cards. It can come crashing down if you're not prepared. Make sure you have basic legal protections in place, such as a will, durable power of attorney, and healthcare directives. These legal documents ensure that your assets are managed according to your wishes if you're unable to make decisions. Furthermore, consider setting up legal entities like LLCs for your businesses or rental properties to limit personal liability. This legal separation can protect your personal assets if your business faces legal challenges. Also, review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure you have the right protection for your current lifestyle and financial situation. Staying legally protected is not just about avoiding risk, it's about maintaining peace of mind, knowing that your wealth is safeguarded against unexpected events. 7. Give back. Giving back is an often overlooked aspect of wealth building. Sharing your knowledge, skills, and resources not only benefits others, but also reinforces your financial values and habits. By teaching others about money management or supporting charitable causes, you gain a sense of fulfillment that money alone can't provide. Donating a portion of your income to causes you care about can create a positive impact on the world, and it can also provide tax benefits. Moreover, sharing financial knowledge with others can solidify your understanding of wealth-building principles and keep you motivated. Remember, true wealth is about more than just accumulating money. It's about making a difference. By giving back, you create a legacy and inspire others to do the same. We've just covered a powerful money formula that could help you get rich. Now it's time to take these principles and apply them to your life. But there's more to discover. In our next video, The Mystery of Money Revealed, we'll dive into the hidden aspects of wealth and money that could change the way you look at your finances forever. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Be sure to click the notification bell so you're alerted when our next video drops. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any financial decisions.